Well, I just purchased this USB rechargeable candle lighter, and they say you don't need matches or gas lighters anymore. So let's dive down and take a closer look. Sounds really interesting, right? Yeah. All right, so there's the packet that the USB rechargeable candle lighter comes in. And we'll just do a quick unboxing and I'll show you what's in it. Depending on what kits you buy, some might vary in what you get inside the boxes. Here's some colours that you get with this one. If you can see that. All right, so what comes in the package? Nothing much, just the rechargeable cable and the device itself. And here it is here. So like I said before, it's for lighting candles and barbecues, and you can take it camping and all that good stuff. It's got a hook here so you can hang it. So apparently with this you don't need a gas lighter anymore and you don't need matches. But can it do everything that a lighter and matches can do? That's I don't know. We'll take a look and see if it does a few of those things. Now here's the charging cable, which is right there. And the cable is not very long. In fact, the cable is only 19 centimeters, which is 7.5 inches. So not very long at all. And here's how you turn it on. So you've got your switch here, and you turn it upwards. All the lights indication that it's working. And here's the switch that you push to ignite it. So let's have a look. So can you see that? So it's igniting. It takes 1.5 hours to charge, and when you're charging it, all the lights will be on, and when it's fully charged, the lights will be off. So the measurement on this is 20 centimeters long at about 8 inches. And let's weigh it. And it's 41 grams. Nice and light. Okay, so let's plug it in, and I'll show you how it looks. I've got a longer cable here for convenience. And as you can see, the lights are on and it's blinking. So the packet does say that when it's fully charged, all the lights will be off. And if your device is left on by mistake, it will power off by itself automatically, which is good. So again, they say no more lighters and no more matches. So let's take a look. Okay, I have a candle here. Now I do have a fan on me. Test number 1. System is on. Let's give it a bit of a shielding here. Well, you can see that it will work if the fan wasn't on. There you go. Not bad. Let's try something else. Let's try this candle. Now this one here is a little bit deeper. So this is what I like about these kind of things, is because they get into the candle. It's a bit hard with the lighter. So let's see if we can light this one. No problems at all. So it seems to be working there. Alright, so now my next test will be, let's see if it ignites paper. I've got some tissue here, because usually when you have a barbecue you put some paper underneath your coals to light your coals. So I don't know if it's going to work with the fan on, but anyway, you'll get the general idea. So let's see. I'm going to turn it on. Okay, so it does have a safety feature that if it's left on, it turns off, right? So while it's on and it turns off, you have to turn it off manually and then turn it back on and it'll come back on again. Oh yeah, lights up really well. And now for paper. Usually we do this with barbecues and we stuff that underneath the coals. Let's see. Yeah, it'll light it. I don't know, I really like it. There you go. Let's put it out. All right. So there you have it, the USB rechargeable candle lighter. I think it's pretty good. Links are in the description. And yeah, they don't cost too much. They're pretty cheap. So my final thoughts on it is it's very good so far. I will take it camping with me and give it a good test there. Now, with the gas stove, I don't have a gas stove here, obviously, but I will test it when I'm at camping because I do have a little portable gas stove, and I can check it on that. So that's basically it for this demonstration. No more refilling with gas and no more matches that can get soggy in the rain and they don't light. So you can just take one of these along. So I don't know if you can see that. Let's see. And that's it for this review. Thanks very much, everyone, and I'll catch you on the next one real soon.